guys, it's Snowkei. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about SUQQU's new holiday makeup kit. I have two beautiful makeup kits with me. This one is Rika and this one is Hoshi Sayuru. So in each kit, I have one signature color eyes, one nuance eyeliner, and one dewy liquid blush. Shall we start with Rika first, which is very popular in Asia apparently. With the priority, I think in Asia you get to see these makeup kits first. I think it's the launching strategy or something, but it's fine. We got to see both collection in the end. Okay, let's start from signature color eyes, shade in 131. You can see all in all the color story is quite Christmassy. The first shade, shimmery glittery texture, a light silver. The second one, main character of this eye called a blue green with a lot of shiny blue and green glitters. The third one, a pink mauve with some golden glitters. And the fourth shade, shimmery glittery texture as well, a grayish brown with some golden glitters. And the nuance eyeliner 110, it's a grayish blue. From some angles you might also think it's just gray, quite low key as well. And then we can see the dewy liquid blush, shade in 101. It's a light beige pink, quite invincible, good as a base. You can top up with some other powder blush, and the texture is really beautiful, makes your skin looking super healthy. Okay, next one, the purple kit, Hoshi Sayuru. We also start from signature color eyes, white grayish purple with a very powerful gold. The first shade, shimmery glittery texture, a grayish silver with a lot of silver glitters, cool tone. The second one, the purple shade. I was quite attracted by this purple when I only see the picture online. This kind of purple will be something I'm always obsessed with. It's a blue purple with some tiny pink blue glitters. The third one, a light lilac. The base color is quite translucent, I would say, with a lot of pink, purple, silver tiny glitters. The fourth shade, the golden shade. It's quite metallic, high pigmented as well. It's a bronzy gold. Then let's see the nuance eyeliner 111. It's looking like purple when you see the packaging, but when you try it on, you would think it's pure gray with a hint of purple. I wouldn't even call it grayish purple. I think with the packaging it's kind of misleading. Then let's see the liquid blush. This one is a warm tone orangey peach. Yeah, quite beautiful as well. I can see slightly more color on my face with this 102. After seeing these SUQQU Holiday Makeup Kits. Me personally prefer these eye cords slightly more than the previous UK Holiday eye cords because these color stories kind of make sense. A lot of shimmer, a lot of glitter, and a little bit of creativity in the eye cords. That's what I like. Both 131 and 132, I think they are quite pretty. 131 slightly more special compared to all the other eye cords I saw from SUQQU, but 132 will be something I put on my face with. Just a no-brainer for me. With the new nuance eyeliners, you guys know I've been always obsessed with SUQQU's nuance eyeliners. A lot of cool but practical colors that you can play with. Not super long lasting though, but it wouldn't kill you when you try to get them off. 110, it's a beautiful grayish blue. You can see slightly more blue with this color, and 111 to me is just a gray. I wouldn't say I could see too much purple in it. With the liquid blusher, I'm just really obsessed with the texture. I love the dew. I love a little bit of sheer on my cheek. I mean, who doesn't love that? In the end, we are all after just a beautiful, healthy glow on our face. That's our ultimate goal. So all in all, I'm quite happy with these two holiday makeup kits. A lot of shimmer, a lot of glitters, beautiful blusher, and some cool eyeliner you can play with. So let me know what you think. If you like any items from these two kits at all, just leave a comment below and let me know. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.